Today we are going to do a fatigue test on the lock. Before conducting 100,000 anti-fatigue tests on the tension lock, we manually check the smoothness of the tension lock to ensure smooth hand feel. Next, remove the locking components and install them on the fatigue machine. Installation is complete. Then, turn on the power. Manually set the frequency to 100,000. Set the angle to 180 degrees and start the measurement. Tighten the lock to operate normally. Open and lock it. The number of rotations has reached 50,000 and the tension lock is open and locked normally. The operation is proceed normally. The set number of times has been reached. Stop running, remove the parts, assemble them, and manually check that the tension lock still feels smooth after 100,000 rotations.